haircut. Man, what a start to the morning. She was full on the last half an hour. I'll roll you through that footage soon, but I'm on my last day of holidays and I just had 2 night shifts for my second job. I woke up this morning, the weather says it's meant to be alright in the morning, but then blows up in the afternoon, but we'll see. It was about 7 o'clock and I was like, stuff it. Just be a bit spontaneous, and just packed everything up. Rods, jet ski, just come out to the islands. Soon as I got here, she was all on, man. There was a big bust up right next to me when I was rigging up to just go for a troll. Ended up throwing some lures at it, but I'll play that footage now. Oh, there's a big bust up here. I don't know if I'm gonna reach. Oh, go you good thing. Oh, come on. Holy. Oh, there it is. Oh, that. Come on. Shit, I got lines everywhere. Oh. He's huge! Oh! Oh, here it comes, here it comes, here it comes! Oh! I don't know what they are. Here it comes. Always on the tail. Ah. What are they? Oh! Take it. Bro. Yeah, I didn't manage to hook up, so got the lines back out there, trolled for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then bang. She was all on again, and I'll roll that footage now too. Oh, we're on there. What do we got? Oh, still there. There they. Oh, quick. Come on. Oh no, not again. Not all we got. Doesn't feel too big. Oh, took some string though. A lot of making up to do. Oh, there's the woghead. Oh, what's he doing way up here? It's a alley maybe, eh? Is he still down deep? Oh! I'm gonna say too early, eh? Oh man. He's still got too much go in him. Zigzagging me, bro. Oh, where are you going? Oh, nice. What are we? Spanish. Nice Spanish. Oh, yeah. Oh. Nice Spanish. Oh, yo. Oh. That's gangster. Oh, damn. Got him. Yes. Oh. Oh. Oh, nice Spanish. Oh. That's gangster. I didn't bring the bag. Well, that was quick. It's just going on 9. I got out here at 8:30. I'll put this guy out of his misery, and I don't know how I'm gonna fit him in the esky. Oh, hecker. Alright, I'll deal to this guy. I don't know how it's gonna fit in this. I want to keep fishing, but I think I'm gonna have to go pull up on an island and deal to this guy so I can put him on ice. Yeah, I'll do that. Oh man, come on. I'm gonna have to chop the head, I think, to make him fit. There's a nice size Spanish. Look at these bad boys, man. Hey, they're solid too. The jaw strength and how sharp those teeth are. Whoo! They even bit through my woghead sinker. I've never done this before, so don't judge. I'm just going to take the head off. There he goes. Hopefully this will fit. Oh, still don't fit. Let's try to wedge them in. Oh damn! I'm gonna have to fold them. They might have to do. Oh, there we go. She's messy, but that'll do it. Man, what a start, eh? Oh, hecker. Hey, how's the condition, man? Look at it. She's glass. Clean too. I can't see too much boats. Yes! Oh, hecker. Man, I'm glad I came this morning. I was gonna stay home and do the garden. Maybe later. Back to work tomorrow. Back on 8 Mile. So I'm just gonna chill on this island for a bit, catch my breath. Because I'm sweating, man. I'm not gonna stay out here too long, I don't think. I'll go home and sort out this fish, but what I'll do now is I'll roll on some footage from when I shot out to the reef the other day. Didn't go too well on the fishing, but man, it's probably one of the best days I've had on the water, like condition wise. So I'll roll some of that footage now. Yeet. Just had to pull up, embrace it. Silence, man. Look at it, just glass everywhere. Far out. These are mint conditions so far. I could turn around and go back home happy. Send it. The silence, man. This is why it's addicting to come out here, I think. This is why people want to pull sickies during work days. Because at the end of the day, the weather don't wait for nobody. Just putting along, got the rods out, one each side, just trolling along. Bit of rain over there, but just putting along, waiting. Waiting game now, waiting for a scream. I'm off the board. We're on here. Not what I'm after. Yeet. Third one. It's undersized. Notice. What I'm going to do, I'm going to jump on the jet ski and then send it back out, and might play around for a little bit longer. But you can't stay here too long because where I beach the jet ski is, if the tide goes out too far, I'm stuck. I can go between those rocks or just to the left of them. There's a little gap there, so I'll wiggle out that way. Handy little tip with jet skis, when you like beach them on sand or wherever you are, the intake underneath sometimes gets like sand up there, or even little shells or rocks. So when you pull it off back into the water, you just shake it. Shake it side to side. And what that does is the intake on the inside where the water comes through, and like if anything's in there, it kind of shakes it out, so that hopefully when the water's in there going like that, it washes it out, falls out the bottom. It's just a handy little tip, I think. Can never be too safe. I've had things sucked up the intake and it's jammed my prop between the housing and the prop before, and it's not fun. Because something so little about this big can make you have to go slow, maybe 4 knots. If that, won't be able to go any faster. So can never be too safe. So after beaching it, just give it a little rock side to side. Hopefully get whatever's in there out. Because look, here's stuff like this. Like that could end up in there. And the one that I got stuck in there on one of my episodes about a year ago was about that big, if that, and it jammed it. So that's all it takes sometimes, man. Anyway, I beat the tide, just wiggle through here, and then I'll punch it out there to where the glass is, cruise around for a bit, and then see how we go. Get this blood water out and get rid of the head. Let's go try find a bust up. Ready? Here it comes. No better feeling than on a jet ski on the glass. Oh, look at it. I say it every episode when I get conditions like this. Well, this is what makes me keep wanting to come back. Just cruising on water like this. Blessed. Love it. Alright, my friend. Time to let you go. Oh, thanks for the fillets, bro. Champion. Alright. Just trying to fill it up with water so I can get all the blood out. It's pretty clean now. Fill it up a bit and then send it. Ready? There she goes. Beauty. Just gotta follow the birds. Oh, am I gonna get there in time? Bro, always, it's showtime, eh? Look, now they're gone. Let's see how we go. Nothing. Oh, none of them want it. See how we go. Come on. Man, they don't like this one. Take it. Nothing. Take it. And again. Nothing, eh? Try and close. Oh, they don't like this one. Man, shocking. Man. I've had a few bust ups now and I just can't even hook one. I'm gonna say it's the lure's not matching the bait. I don't know. Oh! Go! Oh! Get there! And you! Let's see if we can hook one. Kind of straight through the middle now. Oi! Oh, bit of head shakes on this one. It's still going. We hooked one. Landing, it's another story though. Oh, here he is. Hey, it's a mackerel. Oh! How'd you come into the scene? Just gonna say, you felt a bit different. Oh no, it's a Tuna, you ammo. Bro, you don't even know what you're up to. Oh. Oh, he's still got heaps of life in him. Bring it in, brother. So I can get you back. Oh, wait, here we go. This is the fun part. Nice little Tuna. Look at the colour. Wait. Oh man. Oh well. Here, look. Let's see if we can grab one. Maybe that's why it took me so long to hook one. So that's the bait on the bottom, those two little ones that they're eating. And then that's the lure I'm running. So maybe that's why it's taken me so long to hook one. First of all, not the same colour. Second of all, way bigger in size. But hey, he went for that one, so beauty. Got one. Hey? Dropped it, but anyway. I'm just gonna slowly make my way back now. It's 10:30. It's only 10:30 in the morning, but it's like hell hot. I say it every episode, but yeah, she's stinging today. I think I might punch back to the ramp. There's a slight breeze coming up, so it might be that afternoon forecast where it said it was going to chop up. It was a good morning. Conditions were good. Fishing was all good. Blessed to have one in the esky, so that's all I need. Come out here, have some fun, and then make the most of the last day of my holidays. So it's about 11:15. I'm going to shoot back to the ramp. But yeah, I'll see you either at the ramp or at home. This is the intake, but if you have a look, that little rock thing, I think it's a bit off a mangrove. You see that water wiggled its way through here, so that's why you rock this side to side, so hopefully when the water's going like this, it can bring it out. But my hand's too big to fit up here, so you're up. Hers can't fit, we'll just get a stick.
The true mechanic.
Bro.
looks like a seed or something.
Yeah, might be a seed from mangrove.
Oh, it
Can
is.
you reach it?
Yeah.
Lucky I got under and had a look. Next time I would have went for a strap, that would have just went straight into it. But see that yellow, that's the housing, and you can see the prop stuff wedges between the prop and the housing. And it's happened before to me in the past, so always give your jet ski a little rock in the water. Hopefully it gets most of the rubbish out. Bro, what happened?
But
It's stuck. What a big bow in him. Hold up, man. Let's go work along. It's hard doing it without the head, not used to it, eh? Oh, there we are. Got our 3 bags. It's pretty heavy. And now I'm gonna put these in the freezer, get them out of the sun. Here we are. Showtime. Into it, eh? Man. Clear it out. She's been a while. I'll pull this big boy out. A couple of little bubbles on there.